Good morning and welcome back. October 2020 highlights. Alzheimer's require caution in the early parts of October. In order to avoid being misinterpreted, there will be a rapid improvement and remarkable progress in just about every area. Within their circle, misunderstandings will happen with Virgos. Careful. For criticism may not be unbearable, but Cancer's Leo's Aries will be with them in the unpleasant, most unpleasant times. Sometimes pleasant times. A love Gemini will be in harmony with the Aquarius and Scorpio. The horizon of the Sun and Taurus and Mercury, the romance will be dimmed by some shadows. Professional interactions with the Capricorn Libra will be dealt with the pieces, and Sagittarius is going to be complicated. All through October, the atmosphere around Gemini will be dense, passionate, suspicious, and full of approach and reproach also. From October 1st, joy is going to become an attitude characterized by concentrated gravity, and Gemini's better show no resistance to this process. Also, attract unsavory events like a family discord and breakups. On a positive note, Geminis will be pulled towards community relief issues strongly. There will be twofold benefits if the native step away from the being centered and self engrossed, all while becoming a part of constructive active. From 20th onwards, there will be less loneliness and sharing between a couple improves. And coming to the Gemini love horoscope, sexual life also, since Mercury and Sun are in the Libra, the desire to display your ideas, something you shall exhibit, will take long to execute projects with that align with the internal possibilities with you. Coming to the Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Virgo may styles tensions in at home and with your half. Maybe the couple has gone way of listening to what should and what should not be done to assert their freedom to make a choice. Saturn position in Sagittarius raises awareness on stopping and thinking is appropriate, engrossed in total seriousness. Geminis will look very different. The most excellent thing is non-avoidance of the sadness that fills their soul, even if could cause things to become worse. As long as love is authenticate, their partner will be a safe haven. I mean, there should know that something within the relationship is amiss when they are jeered or get to have the most terrible indifference. Geminis are more likely the king's justice in the couple, and this is because they are laughter prone. Yes, you are not only human, and it only right to seek comfort and attention when feeling unsatisfied. October starts with snacks in the love and life of Geminis, but inappropriate that they play fair. It's the best for them to be honest when the flicker of passion goes out if it is yet to happen. They should abide by the rules. Coming to the finance and career for Gemini in October, if you are going to see them, the career is very important, right? So if you are going to see them, the Gemini's career life in October, the Sun and Mercury is a Libra are going to key help you attain and great extents and propel you into your task. The objectives might be complicated, but your vision will be clear, and you will be tactful and cordial. They will handling yourself around your colleagues and can be easy. Neptune residing in the pieces suggests and uncommonly that you are maybe accumulated sensation and perhaps speak with emotional things and emotional commotion. Experience from the past may teach you how to handle work, concerns. Other Geminis will put in the efforts to grab your attention. At the polar end, it will be Capricorn hand details that may stop with the attainment of your goals. Pieces workflow is different from the Geminis, and that yet the two make up for the distinction and attain performance. Gemini's natives will gain significant income from the commercial food, operating food related work such as chief clothing, packaging, wait, waitressing, waitresses and maintenance. Most successful commercial operations will be held in week. Three, because Venus is going to be more favorable during that period. Geminis will be work independently because they will be in unsatisfied situation also. they do not fare well with power touchers or secrets. So October might be tough to deal with because there will be the completion and pettiness at work. So this is about today, and October. We'll get back with November also, and subscribe me. And 2021 horoscope will be soon in our channel. Forward to friends, subscribe me.